Today we discuss about the chemical reaction and equation. In this topic or in this chapter we discuss the chemical reactions, and in our today life we will change, or we see the changes in the one form of the another form into matters. The first topic is concept of chemical reaction. Second, daily life example of chemical reaction. Third, writing a chemical equation. Fourth, balancing a chemical equation. Fifth, type of chemical reaction. Sixth, oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, first topic is concept of chemical reaction. Concept of chemical reaction. In the process of chemical reaction, the substance or reactants are changed into the product. In the process of chemical reaction, the substance or reactant are changed into the product. Okay, in the chemical reaction, the two parts are contains. The first part is reactant and the second part is product. Reactant part are right in the left hand side of the reaction. Reactant part is written in the left hand side of the chemical equation, and the product written in the right hand side of the chemical equation. In the chemical equation, the physical state and as well as chemical state are changed. In the chemical equation, the physical state and the chemical state are changed in the chemical equation. Okay. Physical and chemical state are both changed. Second, also the energy also the energy are changed. Okay, the second topic is our second topic is daily life example of chemical equation. Okay, first topic is completed. The second topic is daily life example of chemical reaction. Daily life example in the chemical equation. First is rusting of iron, formation of curd, and some other various type of example are seen in our daily life, and we can see in the kitchen the the vegetable are cooked or pulses are cooked, then various type of example are seen. Okay, in the rusting of iron, the iron are rusted and changed his color black to red, and as it is the formation of curd, the curd formation in the curd formation the milk is changed into the curd in the presence of some type of bacteria, that example